In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where DLSS Frame Generation is not turning on or is unavailable in your game. First, open Windows Search and type Graphics Settings. Open it, then go to Advanced Graphics Settings. Make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is turned on. If it was off, enable it and restart your PC. After restarting, open the NVIDIA App, select your game, then look for Smooth Motion. If it's available and turned off, enable it and apply the changes. Next, stay in the NVIDIA App and go to the game's graphics settings. Find the DLSS options and set. DLSS Override Model Preset use 3D app settings. DLSS Override Frame Generation use 3D app settings. DLSS Override Super Resolution use 3D app settings. Click Apply, then relaunch the game and check if frame generation is working. One of these steps should help you enable DLSS Frame Generation on your PC. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.